How to lock period in Zoho Books. Want to prevent changes to finalize transactions? Let's lock an accounting period in Zoho Books. So from your Zoho Books dashboard, go ahead and head over to settings and then look for taxes. And then on taxes, go ahead and select lock period. Select the end date of the period you want to lock. For example, March 31st. Transactions before this date will be restricted. Click lock period to confirm, and from now on, no user can edit or add entries before that date unless you unlock it. If corrections are needed, return to the same section and click unlock. Always relock after making adjustments to keep your books secure. And that is how you lock an accounting period in Zoho Books.